So I'll come out here many times a day, feed that little baby. You can hear his mom and dad in the trees. They're not liking it, but I can't put him back in the nest. So good boy, good little boy. Here's another one. Oh, you're hungry? Is that boy hungry? Or girl? Look, and you're getting fuzzy eyebrows. Okay. One more piece. Good. One more piece. Gotta get up here. Ready? Good. Need some water. There. That's a good boy. Today I'm gonna put some Malabar spinach in this. And I need to straighten it out. I got ashes, manure. I had leaves in here. The chickens broke them down. And they've been digging in here, loosen that up. So I'm going to put some soil in here and start planting. And Bill, he went around and get me 2 more bags. I buy these bags through the winter so I don't have to pay for a lot of it all at once. Just whenever we go store in the winter, we'll stop by and get a bag. So now I can use them and start planting some stuff in here. We got the water hose handy, so when we water the chickens, we can come by here and water the plants. Dale's in here checking things out. Thanks. Okay. Now I'm just stirring it around, smoothing it down, trying to mix some of that stuff below there in, and get these other 3 stirred in, and I'll start planting. In all these pots, there's more than 1 Malabar spinach, so I'm just gonna separate them and let them grow up, and maybe put some onions in here, and it'd be easy access to get to when we want green onions, and just put what I can in here. I would love to plant some Swiss chard in that area I'm planting in right now, but the birds are just eating them to pieces. So I've got them locked up in this rabbit hutch. And if I have to, I might end up growing them in here. Bigger pots. The only thing, they get pretty tall. The rabbit hutch isn't that tall. Well, back to work. Well, I got some onions planted, and on this inside I put radishes all the way around the circle, and then inside where the onions are I planted carrot seed. I don't know if they'll come up, they're old, but I'm going to get some leaves put on this and cover them up, try to keep this moist. And the reason I put radish seeds here, because the chickens get up, they try to climb the fence, they try to put their head in here, and they'll grab onions if they can reach them. But I think my radishes will probably be low enough, they probably can't get at them. Well, we'll see what happens. Now I've got to go look for some leaves. Yeah, this bed's looking a lot better, and he's got to work on this gate. It's falling apart. Try to keep the chickens out. Looking good.
I need to open it up a little bit.
Yeah, that's our water trail. It's great. Bill's in this one bed. I've been wanting to be over here and clean it up. So he's over here getting the willows out. And here's the trees I want to save over here. There's a group through here. And he's going to clear out the willows for me. That's a lot of work, and I appreciate him doing that. There's some garlic coming up. And, well, he's going to take that tree out. I've been wanting that out.
Yeah.
It's going to make it a lot more roomy in here.
Well, you gonna plant anasazi beans?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's comfrey. I'll have to cut the willows out from it. And there's a baby bird of paradise right there. And I'm glad of that. And there's a bigger bird of paradise. I'm going to keep it in here because they draw bees back here. But it's tall enough, it's out of the way. And that's a lot of hard work. Here's some willows that he's going to feed to the donkeys and horses, and they're going to like that. Oh boy, that's going to open it up a lot better.
It'll come back.
There's a baby pecan tree
Here?
right there. Yeah.
You leave it?
No.
Okay. What about this one here?
I want to take them out.
Yeah. Put this down.
Yeah, we're going to keep the stick to use it for something.
I think I'm going to put my name on this knife.
You use it more than I do.
Then I'll hide it.
Why? Why hide it? Because I might lose it?
No, because you'll get it. Nah, it's handy for this.
It is. And I'm just standing here in the shade.
Oh, yeah. Take a break.
I am taking a break. I got to go get some leaves for my bed I'm making. I'm going to look for pecan leaves. I like them better. No, that cut it.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It doesn't hold the edge very long. You have to stainless steel, they don't. I've never had to eat. I'll use this on that, or a couple of them on that gate there.
Okay. You got a helper out here.
Yeah, she is.
Looking for the moles. I better check this hole. Oh, I gotta go look for leaves. Here's a bag of these little light leaves. I really like them. The big ones is really compact, harder. These stay light. I'm just putting on a thin layer of them right now. There's some twigs. And getting these covered up. In a few days, all this will start standing up. The Malabar spinach will start grabbing the fence because it knows there's a fence there. And I'll probably water these leaves to pack them a little bit to hold that moisture. I was just thinking about this story. I'll tell you. You know, people get sawdust for compost toilets or whatever they want. Like a hawk went by. And so one year was at this other sawmill, and a whole bunch of sawdust out there, just tons of it. And the owner, he was saying people want to come get this sawdust, but it's free. But he said, what happens? The rattlesnakes dig into them. I thought, what? He said, yeah, there's rattlesnakes in that sawdust. I thought, oh my gosh. And he said, I could scoop it up, you know, if anybody wants it. What if he didn't tell them that and they come out and get a scoop, take it home, there'd be rattlesnakes in that sawdust. He said they like it in there because it's cool and they can den up in there. I thought, oh my gosh. Something to think about when you're out in the desert. Go get your sawdust. Whew. We're out here taking a break and drinking some water. Bill's about through with that bed. He just needs work on the gate on it. And
Well, it's cold.
You put ice water on your head? Yeah, and it's breezy right now, and it really feels good. So, Sonny's taking a break. All resting. Then back to work. It's getting close to lunchtime, so we won't be working too much longer. Just get what we're doing, get it done. Oh, Bill just put ice water on Sonny's head.
Yeah, I put it on me too.
I know, he don't know what's going on.
Oh, you're getting a bath.
Oh, Daddy,
Oh,
that's
that feels
cold.
good, don't it? You gonna clean my hands?
That's cold.
Oh boy, we've been working, haven't we, boy?
So Ben's been working. He's been on guard. Uh-oh, Ben, run. Oh. Daddy's cooling your head off too.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
We do that out on horseback. With
Yeah.
That's why we carry them bandanas mainly. You water them down, wet it down when it's 100 or better.
Oh,
Wrap
it's
it around
like
your
ice,
neck or on your head, under
ice
your hat,
water.
and it's just like air conditioning.
It's cold.
And the breeze blowing across
Yeah.
you,
Really cools you down.
make you last a lot longer out there on a hot day.
And there's Julie. She come out. She's gonna lay back behind you. That breeze really feels good. It won't be too long. I'm gonna start planting a little bit more food in this bin. A little bit at a time. Well, Sonny feels nice and cool now. Sitting on Bill's lap. Now
He's about halfway.
This is a better way for him to sit on your lap.
Yeah.
Half of him off of you. He just enjoying himself. All the dogs are resting. And then he's on guard. He probably smells something. Well, got this done. I'm glad. Now all they have to do is grow. And so if the chickens jump up here, you'll see how hard they'll put their feet here. And they'll try to, you know, get in here and they can't grab nothing. So, it's all done. So thanks for watching from Out West Homestead. Now, it's time for lunch. And time for us to kick back. It's getting too hot out here. Getting windy. See you later. Bye. So before I eat lunch, I'll come out here and feed him first. And I'll do this several times a day, and I don't mind because he needs to eat. Are you ready? You ready to open that mouth? Huh? Alright. Alright, get that down in there. Yeah. Good little boy or girl. Come on, there you go. Oh, big bite. I'm glad he's got a big mouth. All right, are you ready? Come on. All right. Oh boy, you're eating it up. One more time, huh? All right. Drink that up. Huh? Get some water. There, get a little bit of water. There you go. Then I'll come back out here in a little bit, give him some more.